Hey everyone, welcome to Utopia Creating the Paradise. How are you all guys? I hope you all are fine and safe at your place. Today I am going to share one recipe. It is traditional Indian sweet recipe called Prasadacha Shira in Marathi and Suji ka Halwa in Hindi. It is very simple and very traditional recipe. Especially it is made during this month of Shravan and specifically for the Puja Satyanarayan. So let's begin with today's video. Before that, I would like to request you, if you are new to this channel, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on Instagram. So let's begin with today's video. To make prasadacha shira, we need these ingredients. You can take screenshot. Also, I have written measurements. Semolina, ghee, sugar, milk, these everything should be in equal proportion. So here I am measuring everything. I am using this small katori. You can use measuring cup. Banana, I have taken one medium size which was ripe, and ghee I am using little bit less because it is not melted. If melted ghee, you have to take equal proportion. We need to measure every ingredient so recipe won't be fail. Here I am taking water and milk also. Both are in same proportion. Everything is 1 katori plus 1/4 katori. Some cardamom powder, saffron. First I will keep milk and water for boil. Saffron and cardamom powder you can add in this milk, but I usually add later. In a pan, take ghee. Once ghee melted, put rava in that. Now we need to roast this rava or semolina for 7 to 8 minutes or until the color changes. At this stage I am adding some cashews. You can use raisins or both. Once semolina change its color little bit, at this stage we need to add banana slices. Also you can break into pieces or mash little bit while roasting itself. This roasting is very important in this recipe. Otherwise it will become very sticky as we have added banana. After roasting for 7 to 8 minutes, now I am adding saffron strands and slowly I am adding milk. We need to add it very slowly because milk is also boiling and the semolina also hot. Mix it well, cover it, let it cool for a while. Semolina absorbed everything. I am adding cardamom powder, and then goes sugar. After adding sugar, the mixture will become little loose, but no problem. Just mix everything really well because sugar it may get caramelized if you don't mix it properly. Then cover it and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. I have mixed it really well. Now I will cover and cook for 2 to 3 minutes again. And yes, it's almost done. It started leaving pan, so it is done. Perfect consistency, perfect taste. You should give it try guys. It is really tasty. and I'm sure you will try this recipe. I hope you like this video. Please do consider subscribing. Also share with friend. And if you try this recipe, please let me know in the comment section, or you can message me on Instagram. And look at this texture. It's really yum, guys. Please do try. And also consider subscribing to my channel. Stay tuned until next time. Take care. Bye bye.